Very good morning, students. So last class we finished some properties on NCR continuation. So next property NCA, it is equal to NCA equal to NCB implies A equal to B or A plus B equal to N. So for this one no proof, so no doubt. Property only, no doubt. Next, sixth one, NCR plus NCR minus 1, it is equal to N plus 1 CR. N plus 1 CR. NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. Listen carefully. Take that LHS value. NCR plus proof of this one. This is very important proof. So very important proof. Listen carefully. NCR plus NCR minus 1. So NCR, apply formula. N factorial divided by N minus R factorial into R factorial plus NCR minus 1. So apply formula N factorial divided by N minus R minus 1 factorial into R minus 1 factorial. So both LHS values applied NCR formula. So after that N factorial divided by N minus R factorial into R factorial plus N factorial divided by, so this is minus is multiplied, minus R minus into minus plus 1. So N plus 1 minus R factorial. R minus 1 factorial. R minus 1 factorial. Again you to modify N factorial divided by, this is N minus R factorial into R factorial can be written as R into R minus 1 factorial. R can be written as R into R minus 1 factorial. So again N factorial divided by N plus 1 minus R factorial can be written as N plus 1 minus R into N minus R factorial. So first next term you are writing means you subtracted 1. Next term is you are writing means you subtracted from 1. So N plus 1 minus R, 1 is subtracted, so N minus R factorial. That R minus 1 factorial write as it is. R minus 1 factorial write as it is. Again LHS equal to, so what is remaining? What value common there? What value common? What value common? N factorial common divided by N factorial common divided by N minus R factorial, R minus 1 factorial. N minus R factorial into R minus 1 factorial. R minus 1 factorial. Again, what is remaining in first 1 by R plus, in second value what is remaining? 1 by N plus 1 minus R. Minus R is remaining. N plus 1 minus R remaining. So continuation, no doubt, be not visible there. See that one. So this one continuation. continuation I will write here NCR plus NCR minus 1 it is equal to, in the numerator common value n factorial divided by, in denominator n minus r factorial. So n minus r factorial again. So r minus 1 factorial, r minus 1 factorial. So r minus 1 factorial. So bracket here remaining is what? 1 by r plus here remaining what? 1 by n plus 1 minus n plus 1 minus r. Now see that continuation. See that continuation. N factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r minus 1 factorial. So what is the LCM here? N plus 1 minus r into r. So cross multiply. N plus 1 minus r plus r. So n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into n plus 1 minus r minus 1 factorial into r divided by, so plus r minus r we cancel, remaining n plus 1. Now see, very simple step. N factorial into n plus 1 means n plus 1 factorial divided by n minus r factorial into n plus 1 minus r means n plus 1 minus r factorial. Again r into r minus 1 factorial means r factorial. That is r factorial. Now replace n by, you see this formula. So NCR formula is what? N factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial, right? Replace n by n plus 1. What happens? Replace n by n plus 1. N plus 1 CR, n plus 1 factorial, n plus 1 factorial, n plus 1 factorial, n plus 1 minus r factorial into r factorial, right? Replace the same formula. N by n plus 1 means you are getting n plus 1 CR. In that same formula, you replace n by n plus 1, we are getting this. So what is our LHS value? N plus 1 CR. N plus 1 CR. That is our solution. Note down fast. N plus 1 CR. So all properties completed. So next problems. Exercise 7.4. Exercise 7.4. First one. If NC8, NC2, find NC2 value. Find NC2 value. So, by property, by NCA, NCB implies A equal to B or A plus B is equal to N. Using this property, using this property you can solve above question. You can solve above question. In this one you have to take second condition, not first one. You have to take first condition, second condition. So given NC8 equal to NC2 implies A means 8, B means 2, it is equal to N. A plus B equal to N. You take this one. You take this A plus, don't take first one. So N is equal to 10. Now what value we are going to simplify? NC2. 10C2. 10C2. 10C2 means you can apply formula 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. That is one process. So other than that formula also you can use 10 into 9 divided by 1 into 2. You can write like this also. So 10. So downside 2 is there now. So 2 means 10. You write 2 terms means 10 no below. 10 no 9. So divided by 2 factorial. 2 factorial means 1 into 2. So this 2 indicates means what? Above 10 you write down means down member is what? So 10 you write 2 multiples means 10 into 9. Again 10 no 9. Next 2 means 2 factorial. So apply NCR formula. Otherwise you take like this. So here 2 is there now. Here 2 is there means 10, 9 you have to write. 2 terms you have to write. 2 numbers. 10 no below number 9. Again divided by 2 factorial. 2 factorial means 1 into 2. Like that you have to write. That is trick, one of the trick. So simplification ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 1s 2 5s. So answer is 45. Answer is 45. Some similar model. Do homework. If NC9 equal to NC8, find NC17. Find NC17. You do that question, homework. You do that one homework. You do that one homework. Next, second question in that exercise, determine N if first question 2NC3 is NC3, it is equal to 12:1. Second one, 2NC3 is to NC3, it is equal to 11/1. Sorry, 11:1. Both are same models. I will do one problem. Second one you do homework. Both are same models. I will do one problem. You have to do remaining. Next, given data. First one you see 2NC3 divided by NC3 equal to 12/1. 2NC3 divided by NC3. You can apply formula. Okay, otherwise you apply trick. Trick means you have to see the trick. Trick you see here 2n is there, here downside 3 is there. So from 2n to back you write 3 numbers. 2n to back means 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2 means back number is required means you subtract 1. So 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2 divided by 3 factorial. 3 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 also you can write. Whole divided by this is also NC3 means n n minus 1 n minus 2 divided by 3 factorial. It is equal to 12 by 1. Understand this step? 2n C3 means you apply formula or you apply formula or this one. 2n 3 is there. 2n back you write 3 terms. So 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2 divided by 3 factorial. Same like NC3. So 3 factorial will be cancelled. What is remaining? So n get cancelled. Remaining 2 into 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, again what value common? 2 of n minus 1 divided by n minus 1, n minus 2, it is equal to 12 by 1. Listen once again, here n will be cancelled, remaining 2n minus 1. So 2n minus 2 is common means 2 of n minus 1. So whole divided by n minus 1, n minus 2. See there. Now any value should be cancelled here. N minus 1, n minus 1 cancel. So 2 into 2, 4. So 4 threes. 4 threes. Again what is remaining? 2n minus 1 divided by n minus 2 divided by, it is equal to 3 by 1. So numerator remaining 2n minus 1 divided by n minus 2, it is equal to 3 by 1. Again cross multiplication. So 1 into this value 2n minus 1. So 3 is multiplied. So 3 of n minus, so 2n minus 1, it is equal to 3n minus 6. So minus 1 plus 6 equal to 3n minus 3. So this is 5 equal to n. 5 equal to n. That is our solution. 5 equal to n. That is our solution. 5 equal to n. That is our solution. Note down fast. Note down fast. Similarly, you have to simplify. LHS value is the same as it is up to that. So RHS value only you have to simplify. Very simple problem. You try this. Or do one. How many cards can be drawn through 21 points on a circle? This was already explained yesterday. So next fourth one. In how many ways can a team of 3 boys and 3 girls can be selected? That word is present. That belongs to, the problem belongs to combination problem. So we are using NCR formula and selected from 5 boys and 5 girls. Right? So you write number of boys equal to 5. Number of girls, it is equal to what? Okay, now I have 4 boys, I have 5 boys and 4 girls. A team of 3 boys and 3 girls can be selected. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಒಂದು ಟೀಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ 3 ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು, 3 ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅದಾರ 5 ಸಿ 5 ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು 3 ಜನ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಅದಾರು 4 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅದಾರು ಆ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಟೀಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದುದು ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಆ ಟೀಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಬೇಕು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು 3 5 ಸಿ 3 ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಅದಾರು 4 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅದಾರು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ 3 ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಜನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಜನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿದ್ರೆ 6 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ ಒಂದು ಟೀಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ದಿಸ್ 5 ಸಿ 3 ಸೊ 5 into 4 into 3 divided by 1 into 2 into 3 into 3 means 4 into 3 into 2 divided by 1 into 2 into 3 ಓಕೆನಾ ಓಕೆನಾ NCR ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಐತಲ್ವಾ 5 ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೊ 5 into 4 into 3 ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 4 3 ಸೊ 5 ಇಂದ 1 ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ 4 ಇಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ divided by 3 factor means 1 into 2 into 3 similarly this one also 4c3 so 4 3 2 divided by 3 factor means 1 into 2 into 3 now simplify this so 3 get cancelled 2 ones next here 3 cancel 2 cancel remaining 4 only so remaining 5 into 2 10 into 4 40 10 into 4 40 so the number of combinations is a team is selected from number of combinations equal to 40 combinations. Note down fast. Fifth one. Question number 5. Find the number of ways of selecting 9 balls and 9 balls from 6 red balls, 5 white balls and 5 blue balls. So number of red balls equal to 6. Given data you write first. Number of white balls equal to number of white balls equal to 5. Number of blue balls equal to number of blue balls equal to how many? 5. Okay, now I have this much 21 balls. I have different colors. I have 21 balls. In that one, you see that question. I want to select 9 balls only. Among all these balls, I needed 9 balls only. Okay, now and also condition given is if each selection consisting of 3 balls of each color. 3 balls of each color. ಓಕೆನಾ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕಲರಿಂದ 3 ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಓಕೆನಾ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 3 ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 3 ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 3 ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ 9 ಆಗ್ತಾವಲ್ವಾ ಸೊ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ways of selecting 9 balls equal to 9 balls. In that hint point, if each color required 3 balls. This is compulsory. If each color required 3 balls. So how many? 6 into 5 into 5. C. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಲಿಸನ್, ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ನೋ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್. 6 ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ರೆಡ್ ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವು. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕಲರಿಂದ 3 ತಗೋಬೇಕಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಸಂದ್ರೆ 9 ಆಗ್ಯಾವಲ್ವಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಅಂದರೆ ರೆಡ್ ಇಂದ 3 ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ವೈಟ್ ಇಂದ 3 ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಬ್ಲೂ ಇಂದ 3 ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಸೊಂದು 9 ಆಗ್ತಾವಲ್ವಾ. 9 ಆಗ್ತಾವಲ್ವ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು 9 ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 1 into 2 into 3, 5C3, 5 into 4 into 3 divided by 1 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 4 into 3 divided by 1 into 2 into 3. Simplification ಮಾಡಿ. So 2 into 3 6. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 3 3 get cancel. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 3 3 get cancel. Remaining 5 into 4 20. ಇದು 2 into 5 into 2 10. ಇದು 5 into 2 10. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಸಂದ್ರೆ 2000. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಸಂದ್ರೆ 2000. Simplification. Listen carefully. Very simple. Very simple. Not doing fast. Next question, 6th question. Listen carefully. Determine the number of 5 cards combinations out of a deck 52 cards if there is exactly one ace in each of combination. In is exactly one ace in each combination. Number of cards is equal to total number of cards equal to 52. Number of ace cards equal to 4. Number of non-ace cards equal to 48. ಇವು 48 and 4 ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಅಂದರೆ 52 ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಏಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಏಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಅಂಥವು ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ನಾಗೆ 4 ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಏಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 4. ನಾನ್ ಏಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎ ಇರಲಾರ್ದವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವು 48 ಅದಾವು. ಓಕೆನಾ. 48 to 4 ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ 52 ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರೇನು ಕೇಳಿದಾರು, ಅದು ಡೇಟಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಡೇಟಾ. ಓಕೆನಾ. ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ 5 ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್. ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ 5 ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್. 5 ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ if each combination required ace. If each combination required ace. So that's why each combination ಈಗ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಏಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕಂತ. ಇದು 48C into 4C. 48 ಇಂದ ನಾನು 4 ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಏಸಿಂದ 1 ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ 5 ಆಗ್ತಾವಲ್ವಾ. 4 + 1 5. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು 5 ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ನಾಗೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಏಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕಂತ. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಈ 48 ಇಂದ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು 4 ತಗೋರಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಒಂದು ಏಸ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 48 ಇಂದ 4, 4 ಇಂದ 1. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ simplification there 48 47 46 45 divided by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 4 divided by 1 simplification ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 4 get cancel so again 2 ones to 2 24s 3 8s so ಎಲ್ಲ multiplication ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 8 into 47 into 46 into 45 ಇವೆಲ್ಲ multiplication ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 7783 20 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ next one 7th question you see in how many ways can one select a cricket team of 11 from 17 players 17 players adaru ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು 11 players ಬೇಕು 11 players so which only 5 players can bowl if each cricket team of 11 must include exactly 4 bowlers okay right so first data you read total number of players equal to 17 total number of players equal to 17 number of bowlers equal to 5 right next number of non-bowlers equal to how much 12 a cricket team of 11 players if each team containing 4 bowlers okay na a cricket team of 11 players selecting means okay na ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ಟೀಮ್ ನೇಗೆ 11 players ಇರಬೇಕು ಆ 11 players ನೇ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ 4 members bowlers ಇರಬೇಕು ಓಕೆನಾ ಯಾವ ತರ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 separations are there 12C into 5C 12C into 5C 12 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬೌಲರ್ಸ್ ಇರಲಾರ್ದವ್ರು ಇದೇನು 5 ಏನು ಬೌಲರ್ಸ್ ಸೊ ಬೌಲರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು 4 members ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಬೌಲರ್ಸ್ ಅದಾರು ನಾನು 4 members ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಓಕೆನಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 members ಬಂದರಂದ್ರೆ 11 ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 4 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಬೇಕು ಇನ್ನು? ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಬೇಕು? 7 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ಆ 7 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 7 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನಾನ್ ಬೌಲರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ದಿಸ್. 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 8 7 6 divided by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 divided by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Simplification ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ? ಅದು 3960. 3960 ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ 3960. That is our solution. That is our solution. A cricket team of 11 players means 7 plus 4 11. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಈ 7 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು 12 ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ. 12 ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು? ಬೌಲಿಂಗ್ ಬರಲಾರ್ದವರು. ಇದೇನು 4 ಏನು? ಬೌಲರ್ಸ್. ಬೌಲರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಬೌಲರ್ಸ್ ಅದಾರು? 5 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತೊಗೊಂಡು. ಒಂದು ಟೀಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 4 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬೌಲರ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, 7 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನಾನ್ ಬೌಲರ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಮೇ ಬಿ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ಮನ್ಸು ಫೇಲರ್ಸು ಲೈಕ್. 7th question is completed. Next. Eighth one. A bag contains 5 black and 6 red balls. Determine the number of ways in which 2 black and 3 red balls can be selected. Very simple question. Very simple question. Data I will give, you have to do. Data I will give, you have to do. Number of black balls equal to number of black balls equal to 5. Number of red balls equal to number of red balls equal to 6. Number of ways of selecting 2 black and 3 red balls. It is equal to 5C into 6C. 5 ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು? ನಮಗೆ 2. ಮತ್ತೆ 6 ರೆಡ್ ಬಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು? 3. 6C3. You can write like this. So 5C2 into 6C3. Now do simplification. 5C2, 5 into 4 divided by 1 into 6C3. 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 1 into 2 into 3. 1 into 2 into 3. Simplification. 2 ones. 5 into 2 10. 5 into 4 20. That is 200. That is 200. Hold on. Next one. In how many ways a student can choose a program? 5 courses. If 9 courses are available and 2 specific courses are compulsory for every student. Okay, now you are going to select 5 courses. You are going to select 5 courses out of 9. First, data you write. Number of courses. Number of courses equal to 9. Specific courses equal to 2. Non-specific courses it is equal to 7. The number of ways a student can choose a program of 5 courses it is equal to. ನಾನು 5 courses ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವೇಸ್? ಓಕೆನಾ? ನಾವು ನಾನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ 7 ಅದಾವು, ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ 2 ಅದಾವು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? 5 ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ, ಅಂದರೆ 2 ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಅಂದರೆ 2 ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಾಗ ಇದ್ರು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 2 ತಗೊಂಡು, ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೆಷ್ಟು 2 ತಗೊಂಡು, ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೆಷ್ಟು 3 ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಗೋಬೇಕು? ನಾನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಇಂದ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ 5 ಆಗಲ್ವಾ? 3 + 2 5. ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 1 into 2 into 3. So 2C2. So 2C2 means what? 2C2 means you apply NCR formula. We are getting 1 only. Now simplify. 6 over 7 into 5 35. Total number of courses 9. Okay na? 9 I will separate how? Specific courses 2, non-specific courses 7. Total same 9. After that, coming to that, the number of days a student can choose a program of 5 courses. So a student can choose 5 courses means I will separate like 7C, 2C. So these 2 means these 2 courses compulsory everyone you should take. That's why 2C2, 2 ಇಂದ 2 ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಅದಾವ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? 3 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗಬೇಕು? ಇದು 2 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂದರೆ ಇದು ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಇವು 2 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂದರೆ ಇದು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇರ್. I will give in next class. In next class I will give. Okay, right? So note down fast. So some example problems also there you have to practice. So in your material some questions given you have to practice. So I will tell you that question numbers you have to practice. So next class I will start a new chapter. Next class I will start a new chapter. In your material page number 182. In your material page number 182. Study material, page number 182, question number 38 you have to practice. Question number 38 you have to practice. Question number 39 you have to practice. And question number 40 also you should practice. 38, 39, 40. These 3 questions you should practice. Okay na? So this chapter is completed. So next class I will start a new chapter. Next class I will start a new chapter. Thank you all.